Hi there. This is Brother Berman at KFUI Global Radio. I'm going to try and do a quick video. This is my rental. Hopefully I'm going to have this thing on the market. I've got a really good real estate agent. I also need to mention that the last two tenants paid the rent on time. Barbara had her lease, paid the rent on time. Paul had a lease, he paid the rent on time. But this lady, Robin, the reason why I rented to her is because she used to live in La Junta. Her house was 200 feet from the house that I bought. So I thought, okay, well, in a small world. So I come in and there's paperwork all over. And a quick note is that about 5 or 6 weeks ago, Chase notified me saying that somebody was attempting to use my account. So they froze my account for about 2 days. And I find this open letter. Actually, this Chase letter was up here, but then there's other paperwork on the floor. So I just left everything as is. I came in and I'm filming. And I actually, except the only thing is that there was a bill, the utility bill was in the trash bag here. And I saw it sticking out. I noticed my name. And I thought, okay, this is not good. So then I see some other paperwork. It looks like the house was searched. There was one time where the sheriff showed up, 3 squad cars. The house was searched, but then there's another time where the sheriff showed because it looks like somebody had came into the house, and that was before I had the locks changed. Now I've got new locks, and the neighbors have extra security cameras outside, but the tools in the basement are missing. Also, the sewer line, the machine that I bought, it's about $2,000 I spent on it. That's gone. And then I noticed, I'm putting 2 and 2 together because Chase notified me saying that somebody's trying to get into my account. I changed my password and all that. And but I just noticed all this stuff. It does not add up. So it's just interesting. Her daughter, Ashley, there's never-ending court dates. There's never-ending D.H.S. cases. So I did not know that prior to renting to Robin Dobie. And again, I'm at 354 East 5th Street. But again, there are so many cameras. I could barely go into my own home without getting a call from dispatch asking if that was me going to my home. And I'm glad they're checking. So that's a good thing. So there you have it. 3 minutes long on a video doing documentation. Once again, of people when they are dishonest. Oh yeah, another note is this deed here. It looks like Robin had inherited something, a structure from Michigan. And it the algorithms are the same. People inherit stuff, and then they're not wise with their money, and then they screw other people. Oh well, I'm tired. I gotta finish cleaning up here. Thanks for tuning in. Dun 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 dun.